Ready? Close your eyes. Open your mouth big.
Gavin's first baby tooth. It's okay, baby.
No, it's just gonna sting a little bit.
It's just gonna sting a little bit. I thought you were tough.
Come on. Hurry. Tooth
Gab,
fairy
you're
is
gonna
coming.
make your other tooth crooked.
Come on. Open it. Let me see. Open it. Okay,
Yeah,
just
if you don't
just
do
open
then
it. Let
the
me see.
dentist is gonna have to use.
Do you want me to take you to the dentist and let the dentist do it?
Pull it out with the
Do you want me to let the...
Close your eyes and open your mouth. Yep, just open it
Just
big.
open.
You're good. You're
Dentist
good.
is a different.
1,
You're fine, sweetie. Count to 10. Close your eyes. Cover your eyes. Gavin,
Gab,
it's okay.
stop. Gab, don't pull.
Gavin, don't pull on it. You're gonna ruin it. Okay. Be a good
Close
boy.
your eyes. Stop, Gavin. Gavin, stop.
Okay, hold my hand.
Okay.
Hold my hand. Okay, you're fine. Open your eyes.
Gab,
Open
you're
your
tougher
eyes.
than that, Gab.
Gavin.
Gab.
Open your eyes. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand too. Give me both your hands. Okay, hold my hand really tight. No, both hands. Hold my hands really tight. Okay, there you go. Open big.